Once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
He can see the future of futures, charts in his head like rumors. Worldwide map on the MacBook, whole plan laid out, one look. Straight to fun, that's gospel. Cut the weight when colossal. Prop game flipped in a week. He turned proof in a peak. Yeah, red symbol, future of futures. Yeah, yeah. Turn one trade to a move. Yeah. Straight to fun, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on a wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. Trade if I tag on a login. Whole squad they locked in. Took a little edge, made options. Took one city, went global, no stopping. He don't chase these positions. Plays a wave, not conditions. When he talk, reach the scripture. Hold the world in a picture. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a move. Straight to fund it, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on a wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. From the crib to the skyline. Easy growth in a flat line. What's a wall to a timeline? He already passed that sign. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a movement. Straight to fund it, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, easy the growth coming. Whole globe on a wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters.
Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of traded. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And the power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised.
Educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang.
From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at order.
on the internet.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Matt? Every fucking. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max, and I went the one and only Lama Rep Pajama. Are you recording?
Yeah, man.
We are starting the show early today because one, we have a special guest who's got to come on early and do an announcement. Pretty exciting, cool one. So he's here. Hello. This breakout has costed me my Robinhood account. I YOLO'd short. So rest in peace, Robinhood. Rest in peace to my Robinhood. It got hit by a bazooka. And then, without further ado, I guess we could just get it going, baby, because we got some big announcements. Let's get the Hoff up here. Ladies and gentlemen, the CEO of Wealth Charts. Give it up for the Hoff. Let me get my spray going real quick. Let me get my Jerry curl right. Let me get a... You guys know what to do. You guys know what to do. No need to talk. No need to say a word. You guys know what to do here. The Hoff is here. Hit it, chat.
Morning, everybody. And we'll get Sean up here too, brother, if you don't mind.
Yeah. Oh, Sean's here. What's his? Sean's here. What's his Discord name? Sean
I think it's like Sean WC. Yeah.
The Seaninator is here, so you know we're really breaking down.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Sean, what's going on? Welcome, Sean. Sean is the man, the myth, the legend behind most of your Wealth Charts development and fixtures. He's one of the most intelligent people I've ever met, and it's a pleasure to work with Sean on the back end with our indicators. Big Daddy Sean, what's going on?
Oh, not a whole lot. Got some exciting stuff for you guys this morning, though.
Sean and the Hoff have some exciting stuff to say, announce, and get out into the world. So, further ado, do you got Big Hoff? You guys want to take it over?
Yeah, if I can go ahead. So, Sean, you can share your screen, but I'm going to go ahead. I just want to share a couple quick words that maybe some people, of course, if you're brand new to the MOT family, just a reminder, we got the MOT family indicators up. We're super excited about that. A lot of you have already been taking advantage of that, being a part of that. So we're super excited to have those in
Pull your
the
screen down,
feature.
Lama. Sorry, man. Pull your screen down, Lama, so Sean can share. There we go.
And so, of course, user set risk, we just went ahead and added the manual feature so you can lock yourself out throughout the day. Then we got new trailing stops. Logan made a request for some new trailing stops in there. We just released those new trailing stop features as well, which I know Logan's family is happy about. We added a new portfolio hub to the chart, which Sean will probably show you in a moment, so you can kind of get a heads up display of what's going on in your portfolio without having to go to another, take up space using your portfolio, chart layout area. We added a toggle to turn on ticks, dollars, to have them both on or one of the other on. Everybody's a little bit different, right? And so at Wealth Charts, we're all about giving you choices. So we're super excited about that. But we've, of course, got some other big things coming up. Today, we're releasing trade journaling features, additional ones, to make it even easier than ever to take your chart you just traded off of and then go ahead and go in there and make notes right there next to it. And just a couple other things to make the trade journaling experience even faster and more easier for you and comfortable. Because if it's easier for you to use, you'll use it, right? And a lot of people have found that to be super powerful. What the existing trade journal, and as you guys have heard me say for 7-8 years now, is really from the Wealth Charts family. We're just getting started, and we eat, live, and breathe that every single day. And with that, so I am super excited now. So I wanted Sean to be here too, because Sean has been there right with me every single day, going to war, working with dozens of developers, pushing the envelope every single day there. And we have something, actually, I don't know if the production team is going to actually play the video.
Let's see it.
They did a great job. Here you go.
There we go.
Pass in the lane, never slow, no change. Came with the flame, put the game to the shame. Brains can't catch me, speed of the sound. Can't get shadow when my work break bounds. Crown is my goal, gotta take it now. You blink and you mistake this round. Blink and this and blink and this and blink and this and
I love this song.
Yo, that was fucking filthy.
Yeah. Super excited to announce, gang, everything you guys have asked. I mean, at the number one thing, asked for at in Miami at the end of January was, Rob, what can you do? There's the only thing we have to be able to trade multiple prop firms, awesome firms like Apex, FFF, Tradeify. I want to trade them all, but right now the only options available are third-party tools, and you got to pay a lot of money each month. In fact, if you guys know how much money those things cost, type in how much you've seen those go for. Third-party trade copiers, the amount of money that gets charged, or you can give it the number sevens that you're loving the number, that you're loving it. That's great too. But if you know how much those things cost, they can cost, $40, $50, $100 a month. And these third-party trade copiers, the problem with it, and these multi-prop firms, is that they have to go ahead and they have their software here and they got to shoot API connections over to these other firms. They got to get that information back in that. And of course, the problem with all that is it causes, as many of you have seen, a lot of slippage, right? And if you've seen that, if you've used third-party like trade syncing, multi-firm things, and you've seen that slippage or those costs, type in number 6. Type in number 6.
Oh,
Unlucky 6, right? An unlucky 6. Well, I'm super excited to announce today that all of you have access. If you have your accounts there with Apex, Ratify, FFF, and these companies have gone in and done some things too to make it even more exciting for you to go and use them within wealth charts here, which we'll talk about in just a few moments. But it's here, gang. It is here. Omniprop is here. And so, it's our patented technology, our trademark technology, that what we're doing is we're making it now, because all of that is housed right within wealth charts. So you get the ultra speed of the trade copier. Okay, right. So you're getting the ultra speed of the trade copier, bolted on with access to all those firms that we're connected with. And that's why I told you weeks ago. And yes, we're integrating more prop firms right now. And any new prop firm that we bring on will automatically be part of this. When we're building them in, we're going to go ahead and build them in with the Omniprop technology. So that means any new future release that we do, with the more prop firms, will automatically be included in Omniprop. And so we also address some of the biggest issues that some of the prop firms had with like these third-party, multi asset or multi-prop firm type platforms. So the prop firms are happy. The traders now can be super happy. And it's funny because when the development team was trying to shoot the video, the orders will fill so fast. And we're going to demonstrate that for you in a moment. It's absolutely incredible how fast it fills. If you have used third-party platforms for multi-prop, trade execution, you can see it could easily take multiple seconds for it to go ahead and all fill in. The slippage can be 4 or 5 points, in some cases, with the, those kind of tools. And so we try to eliminate and solve all of that. In fact, Max, you actually got a little private taste along with Logan and some of the, we gave it to the MOT family to privately test first. You got to see how fast it was.
Yeah, I've never used a copy trader in my life before, and you told me to go on there and slam some buttons, and I slammed the micro button 30, 40 times, and it was really fucking cool. The one thing I liked about it a lot was that I was able to size down, trade 1 or 2 micros, and make $1,000 or $2,000 across the 25 accounts. I had Tradeifys, I had FFF, and I had Apexes. So I didn't have any slippage, so I can't speak on slippage. I know Lama used to news trade like this with Copy Trader, and he's lost 10 grand before due to slippage in one trade. So I know that it's a huge industry problem. Now, as this is released, Rob, and it grows, do you have any issues that you think you're going to come about with slippage, or because since you're the data provider, you think it's going to be clean across the board? It's not some third-party bullshit.
It's not third party. It's not, I'm not sending out APIs into the world and then hoping they received it, do something with it, send it back to, our technology, process it, and then display something to you. That's not what this is. It's all rolled up into our technology. And so everything is just lightning fast.
Right.
So and even as it grows, they'll still be within our ecosystem. So and we've talked about that before, the way Wealth Charts does everything, we just buy a lot more servers and have a lot less people on each server to keep things really fast for you, to keep things like these trade copiers moving fast. And we got some big releases actually this Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, they're going in over the weekend, to just support that even more. So I've said now for, approximately, I guess it's been almost 8 years now, we're just getting started. And each and every day we're just getting started. And so this is a big release, right? And so what I'll do is in just a moment I'll give Sean a chance to demonstrate, if that's okay. I don't if you guys see an immediate trade, I don't want to mess you guys up there if you guys have a trade, but I think people should see this, because this is important, because this will save people a lot of money who are paying for a third-party integration tool. It'll save them a lot in slippage. It'll go ahead and, the crazy slippage in some of these things, but it's inherent, right? If you got to send it off somewhere else and then you got to get it back, it's a lot different than when it's all within the box. No other firm, Tradeivate, no other trader, Rhythmic, nobody else has this, so that nobody has it built into the box. It takes a lot to do that, and then of course that leaves you then to a third-party solution, which costs a lot, and isn't as effective, and that's just a reality. And so we're super excited. I mean, we've been working on
Oh
this
yeah.
for months now, and we went ahead and of course let you guys privately test it first. And if you guys are excited as I am, if you want to see it from Sean, type in a lucky number 7, because you guys all have access to this. And we want you guys to go ahead and see this. So,
Yeah.
all right,
Try
with that, Sean, show them how it's done here real quick. And we've only got a few minutes there for the guys. And if you guys see a trade, we'll shut up. You let us know if you see
No, you're
something.
good.
This is pretty important because it's going to save people a lot of money, slippage, none of that crazy slippage. And then also, it's just a powerful tool that people have been asking for. So, Sean, show real quickly there.
Yeah, so when you log into Wealth Charts, you get the Link Broker Data Source panel here. Select Omniprop. All of your prop accounts are going to show up in the list here. So I have my Apex, my FFF, my Tradeify accounts in here. Select whichever one you want to primarily be whenever you open a chart or an order panel. Select Login. You're already connected. Your broker portfolio is going to have a couple of different things in here. So you have collapsible menus for the individual firms, so you can view accounts just by the individual ones there. So you can have all of them showing or just a couple. From the trade copier perspective, so if I go over to this tab here, the UI got updated here. There's a view tutorial button if you wanted a more in-depth walkthrough of just the trade copier in general. Simply enable copy trading. Set up your strategy, select a leader account, the symbol that you're trying to copy trade on, and then select whichever accounts that you want to use. So I'll just select a few here just to demonstrate this. And these also have a drop down, so you can minimize them, so you can cut through different ones that you don't want to focus on. And I have all these selected. I hit set strategy. I have 17 accounts right now. You can copy trade up to 25 followers plus the 1 leader, so 26 accounts total right now. My chart is on MNQ M6. Strategies for MNQ M6.
Oh yeah, we rolled over. Make sure everyone rolls over, baby. We're on NQM now.
Yep. We put a note out about that last night in Wealth Charts as well. So everybody should know that. Yep, definitely. Go ahead, Sean.
I hit the buy market button, and now all of my accounts that I had selected, if I just maximize the portfolio here, you can see that I have trades in my Tradeify accounts, my FF family accounts, and my Apex accounts all at the same time.
You guys see how fast that was? He hit the button and it was just like there.
Yep. Nice. So I can flatten out of all these at the same time. If I wanted to use a bracket strategy, because I know a lot of you guys like to cover your trades with a take profit and a stop loss, you can do the same thing. So I can do like a 100 tick take profit and a 100 stop loss. And I can do the same thing. I can do like a buy market, and we'll copy trade across all of them. So on the second chart here, I know that I'm copying into like the first couple FFF accounts. I can switch there, and you can see it's all copied. If I move, for example, the take profit on here, you can see it updates in the follower accounts as well. So you have the best risk management there in terms of being able to make sure that your followers are mimicking the leader account as you'd like. And there's going to be some new features that are coming out, as Rob was talking about. He did miss one, but in all fairness, I didn't mention this to him. A lot of you guys have asked for a very special button to be added to order panels, the break even button. So you'll be able to actually select the break even button, and all of your stops will go ahead and move to break even automatically. So just give you more coverage on your positions, and that will affect on copy trading as well. So lots of great things, exciting things to come out for you guys to play around with. Like Rob said, we're just getting started, and we have so many new features that we got ideas for from the Florida event as well that we're still working on to get them in place for you guys too.
Sean, hit that button a couple times. Let's see. Hit that short button a couple times in the buy, whatever you hit that. Let's just see a couple.
Look at that.
Yeah, that shit's quick. Like, get out, Sean. Get out. You're losing. You're losing, Sean. Get out.
You're right. You're right. This was a bad idea. All right.
Wow. Yeah, man,
But
that's insane.
as Rob was talking, I'll just switch the screen here just so you guys can see this. Give you another nice update here.
And yeah, for a while, Sean was doing that. For all of you that were asking about certain prop firms, again, I strongly encourage you, reach out to go to the support at, whatever prop firm you're asking about. You need to let them know, because we're working with multiple prop firms right now, but some move faster than others and some put you in, and it's kind of a slow process. It takes 3 days for us to integrate a new prop on our end. Takes a motivated prop 2 to 3 weeks to get it done on their end. So, the reality is, there's some kind of move slow and everything. It's incumbent upon you. You want access to the best technology. You need to reach out and tell people, hey, whatever firm you want to work with, hey, we want you to add wealth charts. Tell them you're going to stop trading with them and just work with Apex, FFF, and Tradeify. And you got to put the pressure on them. We're waiting for them to reach out to us. We're not going to chase after them. We got great firms like Apex, Tradeify, and FFF, and they've all gone ahead and done some really cool things, which I'll show you in a few moments. There are special offers to buy some great accounts at some really low prices right now, too. And you use code BDM to get access to those, and which we can show in just a moment. But Sean, do you have something you want to show real quick?
Badass.
Yep. I changed the screen, so now we're looking at what the new journal user interface is going to look like. So we added the journal into the actual viewing of the trade. So you have the ability to see what the trade was doing, so you can journal more meaningfully, be able to actually set things up in a way that actually allows you to benefit from your journaling experience a little bit more.
Yeah, so right there, you can put it in, you do the deed, and put it right in there, easy. And no, if you go and get one of those prop firms, that gives you access to Wealth Charts prop. If you want access to some of the more advanced scanners and different things like that, there's some really great additional features for power users. Then you can go ahead and get, Wealth Charts Ultimate. But what we just showed you there came with and comes with your Wealth Charts prop membership. So get your Apex accounts, get your FFF accounts, get your Tradeify accounts, and same thing. I saw you guys saying, well, Max, go pressure these companies. Your voice is loud, gang. You say, hey, look, I'm going to start trading more at these firms that work with Wealth Charts. Then all of a sudden it's like, oh, you know what? We magically found a few extra developers to get those guys integrated. It's amazing how it works. So the reality is we have this awesome technology, and you can't get this anywhere else. There's no other, place that you can get this short of paying for a third-party external solution that, of course, costs money and then has all that slippage risk associated with it, as many of you know already. So the reality is, this is something special you can't get anywhere else. There's a bunch of other features that are coming out you won't be able to get anywhere else. And more of you have been, if you're loving Wealth Charts, you love what it does. I'm spamming TPT. That's funny. Well, it's good. Spam all your favorite firms, the Luces, TPTs, whoever it is, even the ones we're working with. Maybe get their developers to work a little bit faster, right? So, but type in a lucky number 7 if you're happy and you're loving all these new features we're putting in. We're listening to you. Some of these great features that we've just added in these last few weeks were because of your requests at the Max event back in at the end of January. So what, 6 weeks ago, or so. I mean, we're just developing at the speed of light for you. Yeah, we love you guys too. Thanks for the number 7s. Really appreciate that. So you guys tell your favorite prop firms, what you want. You want Wealth Charts there, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and take the screen, if I may, for a moment. I'm not sure if I can share the screen.
You can now.
Okay, let's see here. Why am I hitting? Well, it says share screen is blanked out. So let's see. Let's try one more thing here. There we go. All right. So let's see. Get this for you. I wanted to just announce. So basically, if you guys can see my screen, all right. So you can learn a little bit more about Omni, prop right there. Wealthcharts.com/prop. wealthcharts.com/prop. And some of the other features you get as part of your, if you got Apex, FFF, or Tradeify accounts, you have access to these features that we're putting on there for you right now, which is great. But I want to scroll down below here, just show you, there's a lot of great stuff you can read there. But right here, here's what Apex is offering. They just extended till the 19th now. Now you'll use code BDM. Use code BDM, okay? This is just codes for everyday use. I don't get a commission for using that code. They go ahead and they use our technology. We have the licensing for that, but I don't get, so give Max the love, right? He has a lot of staff he has to go ahead and take care of, and let's show them that love, right? So, but if you got Apex, they just extended their offer for the 85% off a few more days. So I think it's now till Thursday. So that's when they extended that. So that's awesome. Tradeify went ahead and just extended their 30% till the end of the month. You remember that also. So just like Apex and Tradeify were both ending, but it's like, oh, wow, well, now there's this great new product. Let's go ahead and extend this offer. And then Funded Futures Family went ahead and just put out a whopping 80% off on their Velocity plan, specifically only for Wealth Charts plans. You can only use, well, you have to have Wealth Charts to use Omniprop anyways, right? So that doesn't hurt anything. But 80% off for the
They
Velocity.
also 40% off the new Prime plan, which is big. 40% off the new Prime is the biggest Prime sale they've ever done. Wealth Charts accounts only. 40% off Prime. Use code BDM, and you get their new account, which is ridiculous.
Yeah. Wow, gang. That's really, I'm super excited about it. It's hard to see all the excitement right now because I've been up all night getting ready for this big release for you guys. But this is big. This is a huge industry changer. Nobody else out there has this built-in technology into a prop trading platform like this with Omniprop technology. Just nobody has that. And we got a bunch of more things coming out in the next 4 weeks, well, actually 3 to 4 weeks, that will also, take that to a whole new level. So, but Apex, 85% off now, for a few more days. They just extended that yesterday. Tradeify, 30% off. They just extended that to the end of the month. So you can load up, and then Futures Funded, Funded Futures Family, went ahead and I'm used to saying my trading family, and so it's like having the word family at the very end. But they went ahead and the 80% off. I mean, these guys are all trying to take care of you and give you the opportunity so you can load up on your accounts and take advantage of the Omniprop technology. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask, if you're loving all this, go ahead and type in lucky number 7.
There it is. Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
I'm gonna blow up the machine.
I'm gonna break the Discord.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate that, gang, because that just makes us super excited. We're listening to you. I heard you. I sat with so many of you at Max's event in Florida. I heard you. I listened to you. And what I ask is, listen to me back. If you want some of these other firms, you need to go message them and tell them, hey, I'm just going to start trading Apex, FFF, and Tradeify. If you get us more, get Wealth Charts connected, because I will get any of those firms in 3 days. 3 days, I can get them connected on my end. And then from there, it takes 2 to 3 weeks for them. So that's my challenge to you. But in the meantime, we're going to keep doing all this development. So all of you that are using Wealth Charts, the 7s are still flying by. Look at that. That's awesome, guys. Love you. Thank you so much. But we're going to keep, and it just motivates the heck out of me, right? The lucky number 7. Unlucky 6s for bad stuff, the lucky number 7s, for awesome. So we're just going to keep developing here each and every day. We're trying to give you every advantage you can have, in your trading journey. And we're going to keep doing that for you right here and right now. And of course, we're doing a lot of these special releases with the Max group first and getting beta testers and everything else in this group. We're releasing future, we're special announcements. So make sure you're here every day, because I've dropped little, cherries along the way, letting people know, and Easter eggs about what things are coming ahead. And there's a lot more coming ahead for sure. Max, Lama, are there any questions? The sevens are still coming by. Look at that. That's awesome. So thank you, gang. Love you too. Is there any questions you have? This is a big deal. It's a big day. We're super excited, to release this. I'm happy to answer any questions you have, guys.
No,
if
I tried it. I love it. I'm already loaded up Apex, Tradeify, FFF, and I'm going to be using it very frequently. And I think it's fucking awesome, Rob. Congratulations to you and the team. I mean, I know you guys have been working wildly long and hard to get this going, and it's amazing to see a data provider with such a smooth piece. I've never ever used a copy trader, and I've only used yours, and I don't think it's possible to go back to any other one because of the slippage and all the nightmares that you see on social media all day. So I think it's amazing. I think you guys did a wonderful job, and I'm super pumped to just continue using it because it really, really helps me in my psychology, trading a lot smaller, trading less, and seeing much larger profits.
Yeah, you did some great stuff when you were smashing the button. So that was pretty cool, right? And you got to see all it happen, even doing the micros and watching how, volume and how you can put it in, get it out so fast, right? So pretty exciting. So here's the three firms. Make sure you use code BDM, but Apex Trader Funding, FFF, and Tradeify. Those three. Get them, get lots of them. Again, whether you get 1 or 100, it doesn't matter to me. We extended this out to like you heard from Sean, 26 accounts. So you got your master account and then 25 followers. So in other words, we had our original trade copier that only does up to 20, but with Omniprop, you can get 26. And who knows? Maybe we'll go ahead and extend that for you guys and make it 30, 35, 50. We'll see. But right now, you know how much this costs for third parties. So we're pretty excited to have all this part of your daily experience for no additional cost. It just your prop membership. So Max, It's great to be here with you guys. I just and I try to sneak in. You guys probably noticed I try to sneak in at night on the weekends and then try to answer some of your questions here and there. I try to help, but you just remember, to that point, real quick, if I may, in the upper right hand corner, we also added this little HUD display. If you don't want the HUD, a lot of people ask for the HUD, but if you don't, because then you don't have to have your portfolio up. But if you don't want the HUD, you can just right click and go to the bottom here and hide account information. And then boom, it's right off your screen there. But if you want all those little pro tips each and every day, just remember, we have our all-day support room. Go to this little blue guy, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. That way you don't have to wait till Rob pops in and answers some questions or helps out, whatever. We're here for you all day. We got telephone support. We got, of course, email support. But I really like to get you guys instant answers on a screen in front of you all day, Monday through Friday. So 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. Hit this little blue man right up here, and then you'll go into a live webinar. A little Zoom webinar thing, and then you can type in your questions, and they'll answer your questions all day. I really try to encourage people to do that. Get those instant answers, there too. But anyways, Max, Lama, anything else I can do for you or the family for the moment?
Share your charts, call some trades out.
Yeah, the whole chat's like, all right, Rob, let's trade. What are we doing?
Okay, well, if you look, my champion trend pack of indicators that comes with wealth charts has been long the entire time we've been sitting here. So look, right? Breakout forecaster indicating higher highs, right? Champion trend pack. If we want to go long, we have to have green. We have to have the green champion cross and the green champion trend, right? And I mean, so right. Look at this long. Look at all the indicators. Every single indicator was long. This entire time we've been talking. So I don't have to call it out. You guys all have access as part of the Max family here. If you're using wealth charts, you have access to those indicators. And what a great way you can take those indicators, overlay them with Llamas, or Logans, Maxes. Take my indicators, overlay them with them, or have a separate chart with them. You guys get access to those. So what a great way to take all the power of MOT and maybe say, well, you want to know what 35-time trading champion Rob Hoffman was thinking? Well, let me go ahead and maybe just add in the extra indicator. So there you go. So that's my thought right there.
Is that financial advice?
That's not financial advice.
There it is.
I didn't tell anybody to buy here, sell
We
here.
are not financial advisors.
We are
We are
doing
not
this for
financial
entertainment
advisors.
and for the retail traders' success only.
I love that photo 11 twice. That's funny. The Thor photo and the great pictures with other people. So
But he's got you with him and his big ass fucking Green Lantern forehead. So
that's still cool. Can't wait to see people like that in
badass.
person. Good stuff.
That is
So,
awesome,
gang,
Rob.
I
Great
love
shit,
you
brother.
guys too. Yeah, you bet. Well, it's an exciting day to think about this. Another industry-changing event that's built in to an actual firm. So that's pretty cool stuff. So, but anyways, I'm here for you guys. We love you. You know, I can't wait till Max and Lama have me back. We'll have a lot more announcements of more stuff coming to Wealth Charts in the coming weeks. In the meantime, we're just going to keep building for you guys. And thanks for being the world's greatest student family. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.
Let's go. We love you, Rob. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rob. Give it up for Big Daddy Sean. Give it up for Sean as well. We appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the Big Daddy Morning Show and dropping this amazing fucking industry news. We really appreciate you guys.
You bet. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye for now.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Thanks. That's
Go
it is, guys. You hear it first. Omniprop now live. Right when you go to link your broker on Wealth Charts, Omniprop is live. You could trade Apex, FFF, Tradeify, and soon to be Alpha Futures, all on the data provider, which also has the charts, which also has the indicators, which also has the data. It's all live, baby. It's all live right there. So good shit. Good shit. That's really badass. So I'm glad to see it. I tested it. It was pretty fucking cool. I've never used a trade copier. So that was pretty dope. Did you trade, Llama?
I'm in a short right now. I got hit 2 break evens in that chop, and now I'm back in short all the way at 105. Let it just explode, jumped back in. ES just hit a nice break inside of orb, retest 3Z through, and I want to see if NQ could break into orb here. I'm already break even on the trade and partialed out. You take anything?
I'm not even logged in.
Nice.
I'm logging in right now, twin.
About to get partial. I'm about to get pulled out here at 101 if it goes up there.
That short looks good as fuck, though.
I know. I paid myself already.
I can't get my NQ1 to update.
You have to go to NQ1. You have to go at the bottom right. The contract adjust B-ADJ. I want to take my next partial here at orb on NQ, but ES looks really fucking good, and it just fired off now.
MNQ1. Okay, hold on. So their actual price is 85.
Yes, 87, 88,
87, 88, and then MES is 802.
803.
All right, bad. And then is gold MC1 or is it still GC1?
M is micros. So it should still be GC1.
MNQ1. Okay, so I need to add NQM1.
I'm gonna get pulled out here at 101. Hope we don't go up there. Oh, a shreds. Oh, pulled out. Pulled out. Yes, breaking out of orb. Yeah, it's Bullo. If it breaks this newer high, it probably goes to 180.
So just to be clear, NQ's price right now, the right price
103.
103, 102, 102, 102, 102. Shit. Guys, yes, there is a crazy sale right now with Funded Future Family. They're dropping 40% on Prime and 80% on fucking Velocity for Wealth Charts accounts right now. It's actually crazy that they looked out like that. Funded Future Family. There's the thing right there. So for FFF guys, 40% on Prime right now is pretty wacky. All right, we got our enable copy trading and
I really like
QA.
the short. I really do.
Set strategy. All right, I'm in. I'm loaded up.
Back end short.
You're back in short?
Yeah.
Oh, Rama.
At least want to see an orb tap on NQ. Like,
Oh, Rama, you're back in the short. Should I go short with you, twin?
I mean, I have a 6-point SO. It's like kind of
Yes,
worth.
guys, on YouTube, if you need to learn how to set up your wealth charts, we have it all set up and ready for you guys.
Kind of worth the 6 points with 5 micros.
Poo fart on the take profit. I need to group trade more often.
Could have been group trading.
Why you got so many TPT accounts, girl? You can only have 5.
Kept that 5.
Oh.
Kept that 5, shorty. Shorty's moving.
Backup. Who is this? Who is this bitch, dog? She said I got 5 backups in the shoot. Get the fuck out of here.
I like it though. I like it though. The backups is, you feel me?
She pissing me off right now.
It's a professional. I don't
That's
know.
a pro trader right there.
A professional
That's
trader
a
right there.
professional trader right there. She said, "What, twin? I got backups."
What you thought this was, my boy? And you know she smacked OBDM on the ass. I have a hard stop at 108.50. Entries at 102. It's a 6-point SL. I'm already
on the short.
I'm already at a 1 to 2 RR. 12 points.
I'm taking it with you. I'm taking it with you. If the structure break,
Oh,
is
we're going
right here.
I'm already at a 1 to 3 RR. It's moving here.
Oh wow!
There you go. There's our orb tab.
Oh wow!
I said orb at the bare minimum. This would be a partial at the orb.
If we break in the orb, yeah, I'm gonna partial one.
That orb tap is a super partial there. If we break in now fully, then this bitch has got a lot of room to go to Dumptown.
I agree. Here we go.
There's a perfect cap because we're fully out of the range here. We're fully out of range. I'm just gonna turn the fibs off. So next one pops up. Because this is not. All right. You want to see this not break above this 50 here at 87? We can catch a full 3Z into it. We're looking good. But this is the partial there. Tight trade, 25 points, nothing crazy, but it was a 6-point risk.
I'm up 1,500.
Yeah, it's nice. Good trade.
You're nice, Daddy. Well, I'm up 2,400. Nice.
Go to see this next guy that bleed into the orb.
Nice.
Next target would be midline if we break in.
Nice.
Remember to pay yourself here.
Nice.
Remember to pay yourself there at that orb.
Need that shit to break down.
I gotta take a shit.
For real?
Yeah, I couldn't shit this morning.
Why not?
I didn't really have time. I woke up late.
Constipation? Constipation?
Need weakness, and then that, bro, we might even get that 10 a.m. Hopefully 10 a.m. volumes on our side. Could be against us, especially off of a nice orb tap like this, but if it bleeds, bro, it'll be a fucking movie.
The free orb indicator? Yeah, you get that shit on Well Charged, twin. 10 a.m. news. What is it, Jolts? Stop loss at break even.
Yeah,
stop loss at break even, twin. Stop loss at break even.
Break even, and I didn't get stopped. I got edged. I got edged on a nice wick and
I
flip.
got stopped right there, but I'm gonna
continue
re-enter.
here.
I'm gonna re-enter.
I'm with you on that.
Mama ain't raised no bitch. Mama ain't raised no bitch. Mama ain't raised no bitch.
Kind of how crazy I got edged there.
Oh, up a 4-point.
Yes, newer low, NQ not taking newer lows, but yes, if it breaks this fib level, we have a room. Yes, it's just got to keep bleeding. Don't stall out there. Might be good. Let's catch a scale here. Go one more time. Did we just catch a bleeder at this point? Yes, looks kind of solid. Q's just gotta not do no fuckery now. No fuckery them there.
Them fuckery boy.
Stop should definitely get moved to like 98. 98 stops wouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't take that high out if it's going to the contracts roll over to NQH. No, they're NQ. It's NQM.
Man, shout out to fucking Dan Cook, the CSO of Apex Trader Funding. Shout out to my boy Dan Cook. Hey, y'all remember Dan at the event?
NQ break structure goes to
180. Who remembers Dan Cook at the event? The last day, walks into the party. DJ's playing some music. He walks right up into a group of 8 women. Eight little women, mamas, getting down. And dude just starts throwing ass in the middle of the circle.
That's questionable.
No, but he was, and then all the girls started throwing ass on him. Then all the girls
He was catching that shit though. He was catching that shit, bro.
He was catching that shit like Paul Skeens was pitching at the USA World.
He was laid back like this.
That boy was sitting there like this. That boy was sitting there like this, catching 98 mile an hour.
Yo, the shirt's moving, by the way. Shirt's moving. We want to see a break into fucking orb here, bro.
Here we go. Hold on. I'm up 3 bands.
Tap on ES with the break and the retest. We should catch a move. The 70 is low-key another partial though, until we break through it.
Here we go. I'm gonna trim one. Nice, Lama. I'm trimming one there. I trimmed one there. Breaks at
my next trim is gonna be at 30. There should be 40 free points. There should be 40 free points. Free. I want to see ES midline is probably gonna be a partial. It's a lot more steep.
Bro, I'm putting my break even right above orb. Fuck it, 10 points. Because if it breaks above orb, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So I'm gonna put my stop at 77. That's guaranteed $460 profit. I'm currently up $1,500 per account on the short and the reentry. Dang, dang.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let it bleed now at this point.
Let it bleed.
Let it bleed. Let it bleed. Come on, bleeder. ES midline is gonna be another partial for me. See if we can get there on ES. ES is very steep and he's got to take catch.
Here we go. Whoa.
There's the ES midline. I took a partial on that one. And now we want to just see continuation. I might even put a stop. Just trail
range breaker break back in the orb. This is a max trade, boy. This is a max trade, boy. Range breaker right below orb.
Bang.
We have to go to SPX midline, Lama. We have
All
to.
stops are in position. Next trail. There should be 40 free points to the south side.
South side. South side.
Just got to see ES break the midline.
Ba, ba, dang. Ba, 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 dang.
Got trailed out of one position there at 70. I have 3 more micros rolling at full break even.
I mean, big chillin', spinning the cheese. I'm talking big chillin'. Here we go. Nice rejection off orb. Come on, SPX. Dump it. Don't you want to dump it? I'm going down on the 10-second chart.
Nice. This is really nice the way this is reacting right now.
Yeah, that wick out was
Perfect
big.
Tap into that feed. Jizzle lined up with Orbski. Really want to see a 3-bar here.
Yeah, that would be huge. That's huge.
3-bar would be a fucking movie. If it's a 3-bar, it's a movie.
It's a movie, baby. It's a movie, baby. It's a movie, baby. Guys,
we were waiting for this one. Just give us some
piece of my Robinhood account. It got hit by a bazooka.
Kaboom.
Kaboom.
Kaboom. Kaboom. It's not looking good here. If this breaks out, we can see a potential move to 180.
I got stopped.
I'm still in.
3,000 across the accounts there. Well, just under 3,000. Just under 3,000. 29.55. 29.55. I think about re-entering this short again, though.
Still in it.
Let's see if can we get a little bit bigger of a poppy. It's
I
rejecting
had it stop
here.
at 82.75, bro. That shit hit like right under it. It was a super edge.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna put another stop or entry in. I think I'll another short. I think I'll go for the short again. If we can break SPX can get below 41 and some change, 41 and a quarter. I'll go short
What's the
again.
matter, sister? And I heard a boom, sounding like a missile.
Kaboom, kaplow,
Hello.
boom.
I don't like how ES is looking though. That reaction off midline is rough.
It's pumping really good, brother. Oh no, me short is down 3 point. Lot of mercy. About to scale into this short here. If SPX rejects again, I just need to see it break down to 41. 40, 40, 41. 41.
Oh,
41. Yo, do we have any bubble water? You give me a bubble
Yo,
water?
did I tell you that
My
did you
mouth's
see
dry.
that I fucking overly tweaked last night?
I read briefly about it. You were like, man, I'm spending too much bread this month, bro. I'm fucking banged up right now. And then you texted back and said, I just lost $10,000 on Pokemon cards.
Right. I was done. I was done at one point. I was like, yo, I only spent
You were
5
over
million.
trading, bro.
Not a
You
big
were over
deal.
trading. Here we go. I'm up big on the
Overtraded.
re-entry. I'm big on
Yeah,
the
this bitch is
re-entry.
dumping.
I'm looking
Yeah,
good
I
on the re-entry
overtraded.
here. There goes
I
SPX
overtraded.
testing this 41 right here. We need this 41 and a quarter to break. If this 41 and a quarter can break, we're in really, really good shape on this short here. We're going to look for a break, a little more of a pop-up right here. Now we want to reject. If this rejects from here back to that 41, then we're pretty good on the short. But that SPX, it's having a hard time breaking it. It's having a real hard time breaking it. If we break above,
I overtraded, bro. I was like, let me just buy 2 packs, 2,500 each. I'm in for 5K.
but you got a
Worst thing that
Charizard.
happens is I lose 2 bands. I ended up spending 20,000 last night. Remember, I was like, no, I'm done at 5.
You spent 20,000?
Yeah, it wasn't good. Wasn't good.
Qualified for my first payout on Velocity account. Open bull up. Go.
We're moving here. I scaled into that trade. I dropped my entry all the way from 102 to 75 by scaling into that.
Good
I
shit.
really want to see a continuation. I could have used that 20K. You ever heard about getting a job? Ever heard of get a job?
Yeah. You got like 9 kids.
Digital cards. Yes, I was opening the digital packs. GameStop came out with digital packs, power packs, bro. I got fucking smoked.
So your whole TPT payout went down the drain?
Gone. So out of the 20 I spent,
if it's
out of the 20
Pokemon,
I got 11 out of it.
If it's Pokemon, isn't it technically you're just converting green dollars into card dollars? Because if the price goes up,
since I was gambling, so I spent 20K. The price of cards I got now is 11. I lost like 9 racks.
so you
I
need them
need
to
the
go up
market
by
to
like
explode.
90%.
Yeah, I need the market to explode for me to
And
be
is
like,
there
okay,
a chance of that ever happening?
a double up like that.
Hold on, I'm up 17 points.
Hold on, yeah, we just got a leg. Hold on. Focus up here. Hold up.
I'm up
If we
17
really come
points on
take
the
out that
short.
wick,
Hold on, watch
if we
41
come
here.
take out that wick, it's gonna be free as fuck here, bro. We just
Yeah,
need to take that
watch.
wick out.
41 on SPX on this
Oh, it's
short.
about to take that wick.
I'm riding this
Oh,
all the way to
bitch.
midline if it breaks 41. I don't care.
No, me
Break
too.
41!
Just gotta break this wick here, and we're so good here. There's a clean BNR on the skibbity boo bop with the
Here we go.
oofski.
Break 41!
And the oobop
Here it
skadoosh.
goes. Come on. Here it comes. Break 41. Bam, bam, bam. Break 41. Here's your confirmation. We're short as hell, boy. I'm up
Yep,
17
yep,
points.
yep. If we take that low, bro, it should be free range to at least the 20s. Oh, we broke
Wow.
that low. I actually might even partial off that low just because why wouldn't I take it? Why wouldn't I take partials there? The real question is why wouldn't I take partials there?
Bang,
That's
ba,
the
ba,
real
ba, ba,
question.
ba, ba, bang, ba, 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 bang, ba, ba. Keep going, baby. Lose that
I really
41.
want to see a bleeder right now, a full bleeder. Give me a full bleeder, little horsey. I'm gonna leave
What's the
one fully break
consistency on the
even.
new prime plans? Hold on. What's the consistency?
Oh, there's a full bleeder. There's a full bleeder. I told you I was gonna be free. We break
Whoa!
that free
What's the
chicken if we break
consistency
that.
on the prime plan? Hello, help me. Help me. What's
Hello,
the
fuck that consistency. You
consistency?
cooked it. You cooked the consistency. We're breaking. Look at this. Making our way to the 30s.
Oh,
I might even
prime,
take
prime,
another partial
prime.
right there. Let's just
No
pay
consistency
ourselves.
in eval. No consistency in eval. I'm holding and I'm up 5 bands per account. Moving my stops down to 59. We're going all the way in midline. Here it comes, baby. Here it comes, like we said. Like we said.
Continuation, please. Continuation, please. Don't do that, please. Hero, please.
I'm moving one stop
Continuation.
down. I'm cooking with gas. I'm cooking with gas. I'm cooking with gas.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Big Daddy Max. Oh, there's the midline, SPX midline right there.
There's the
There's the SPX
frutas.
midline right there. I'm gonna trim
There's the
one.
there's the frutas.
I trimmed
Ay,
one
ay, ay.
contract. I trimmed one
Frutas.
contract.
Oh, so rico. Ay,
Boricua,
mucho gusto.
Florida, Dominicano.
Yo, what you know?
You know that one?
What you know about that?
Boricua, Florida, Dominicano. You know that one?
Come on, you know I know that. Boom, there's the 30s. We talked about this. 80 points.
Come on, break the midline. Oh, we broke right through midline. Ooh. I'm moving some stops down to 50. I know that's very tight, but I'm gonna trim out of half the contract, half of it at 50. I'm up just under 5 bands.
Morning, Americana. But no.
Oh. Let's go, baby. We locking in profit.
Partial to something there. I have 2 micros running now.
Bouncing above midline looks pretty good right there. Looks a pretty looking bounce. Let's see how this wick reacts. If it wicks back below midline, I might scale into the short more. Okay. Oh, wiki, bro, give me a treasy. On God, I'm scaling in. On fucking God, I'm scaling in a treasy.
Morning, Americana.
Oh
What's
God.
the snacks? We got watermelon,
Watermelon.
strawberry, and grape.
Strawberry. You got watermelon?
Got watermelon and then grape and then strawberry. Eat some kiwis. Fuck no.
Bro, hit this treasy down, bro. Hit this treasy down, bro. Come on. Soon as that shit breaks structure, I'm adding a short. Let me find out that shit won't break that structure.
Look how people are like, eat kiwis,
You see this?
eat watermelon, eat uranium.
Oh, treasy. Oh, we hit that short button. Moving stops
Hold
down
on.
to the top of that
Hold on.
body.
It's another
Oh,
partial. The
treasy.
NQ midline was what I was
Treasy.
testing. Oh my god, bro. We
Crazy,
actually sniped.
crazy. We scaling. Oh, I'm gonna close one right there at the midline, and then all stops go to the top of that. Treasy, treasy.
Boricua, Morena,
15 points away.
Dominicana.
Bro, we 15 points away. Don't do this to them live on Scream. Don't do it to them live on Scream like that. Don't do it to them live on Scream like that. Come on, baby. We holding our thing.
But if we lose this midline, it goes down to 970, twin. We
Twin, I
gotta
don't
lose
care
that
about
midline
that.
NQ.
Big Daddy Mac. We holding this short, twin.
I'm
don't
still holding it, bro.
care. I don't care. I got another stop. I got another alert at 28 on SPX is where I'd like to see a continuation go to, down to 28. And if we could break middies, then this is gold.
If it breaks NQ midline, it has so much room, like free room.
Bro, break structure one more time on SPX. This is fucking cooked. This is going down to opening print, bro. Oh my God. Hold the short. Hold it. No reason to get out. Move your stops down. Keep holding the short. We're breaking middies. We're breaking middies. Let's go. Halfway point. We're breaking middies.
You know what's crazy?
Hold on. Another low on SPX coming right now. Hold on. Testing. 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 1, 2, 3. Another new low right there. Immediately popped. Immediately popped off that middies. And I'm going to take a little bit more profit, I think, off the table and then look for a re-entry. Bruh.
Let's just throw this real quick on my chart real quick for y'all. For those of you that were active in the chart in the chat, there you go. There's your time right there.
All right, I stopped out of a few right there.
Let me just throw this on the chart for you guys. Let's just say, I don't know. It's almost like we fucking said this would happen 47 minutes ago. I don't know, bro. They're calling me the man of the people.
Yeah. I'm about to scale into a short again. If this can continue down, there it goes. There it goes.
Oh
There it
my
goes. I'm about to
God.
scale into a short again.
Full bleed.
Scale into a short again. Look at that.
I'm holding this
No
until
fucking
70,
shot
bro.
does he do this. No shot do I keep doing this. No shot. No shot. No shot that I just pass all these fucking accounts. Just passed all these fucking accounts in one fucking trade with 3 entries. Let's go. Get off my kneesies. Get off my kneesies. Roaring! What a trade. I'm fully out of the short. Fully out of the short. Getting me tired. That shit got me tight right now. Boricua, Morena, Dominicano, Colombiano. Oh, we just made a brag, twin. Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I just made a whole ass bag. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Boricua, Morena, Dominicano, Colombiano.
Wow.
Boricua, Morena, Cubano, Mexicano.
You know what's crazy? Take a look at ES.
¿Qué?
Take a look at ES on my chart.
¿Qué? What an exit. What a beautiful trade. What a beautiful day.
Huevos con queso, arepa, taco flavor kisses.
Taco flavor kisses.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Taco flavor kisses.
Wow. Ew, you're a pig.
Wow.
Ew, Lama, you're a fat pig.
No. Renee.
You think I forgot you called me a fucking mayo monkey, you piece of shit?
I said that?
Can I see the profits? Can I see the profits?
Did I say that? Did I call you the mayo monkey?
Guys, can I see profits, please? Guys, send me profits, guys. I'm gonna bust.
Did I call you a mayo monkey?
Hey, hey. We got a short
Excuse me,
looking.
Chatteroony. Can we get a profit roll call? Can we get a profit roll call? Because we say looking for pop and drop. 929. And what do? And do pop and do this. Boop. And then it go boop. And then look.
And then it go. Boop, boop,
Profit. Roll
boop.
call.
Yeah, do.
Profit.
I think this might reverse here.
Or another Hondo pointer againer. Another Hondo pointer for El Frisky. Gracias. Man. Oh man.
Wow. Big Daddy Max and Llama. Crazy. Wow.
Guys, where's the pre-market? What did we talk about? This whole little lesson that I gave y'all this morning. What did we bounce off? Someone just put the analogy in the chat for me. Oh, what did we bounce off? Yup. The double quarter pounder plain with cheese. We've talked about this with extra ketchup on it. We've talked about this.
With extra ketchup.
Oh man, I don't know. We started early and you still did pre-market. How early does pre-market start? 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. starts. And then today I got on around, I always get on around 9. Coach gets on at 8. But yeah, 20 minutes. I had 20 minutes to fucking get to start cooking. And we cooked. And we cooked thoroughly. And then the pre-study group starts at 6, 7 a.m. Yeah. They're there all day. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's like, I don't know, guys. Have you noticed? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Have you guys noticed every day before market opens at 9:29? I tell you what's gonna happen, and then it happens. I'm gonna have Nick do a whole clip of it, and every day for like 3 weeks.
Bro,
Matter of fact, I did cook them steaks thoroughly. I cooked more steaks thoroughly yesterday.
You ever thought about buying a horse?
No, I don't have land. I'm broke.
All right, you don't even have a place to put a horse, you fucking peasant.
I'm a peasant.
This guy doesn't even have an estate to put a horse. Fucking loser.
Literally still poor. Literally still poor, brother.
Guy doesn't even have land for a horse.
Literally still poor there, brother.
Maybe if maybe you throw a bunch of Pikachus all over the front yard, it'd be like a farm. Maybe if you throw a bunch of Mewtwo's and Gengars. The real question is, at what age do Hispanic women go from Mewtwo
to Snorlax
to Blastoise?
I think it's around 60. Is because at 50 they still look kind of good. You know?
Right. At what age do they go from beautiful Latina queen to Blastoise? And at what age do they learn to press tortillas? You think Kim's mom and I have a chance?
No.
Because I'm married?
Because I'm the front runner.
Oh, right. I didn't mean to step on your business like that, twin.
Oh, watch out there. Watch out
when
there,
she
twin.
walks into the house, do you like, oops, I dropped something?
No, I actually
Umbreon, rank 9. No big deal. My bad.
no, I don't do that. I literally take her shoes off for her, rub her feet.
Oh, is that Van Gogh? Pikachu? My bad. I could draw you next.
Oh, let me hear another. Let me hear another. Let me hear another.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me hear another one.
I know Pikachu got that hat on and them clothes. I like to see what kind of clothes you got on too, girl.
Needs work. Needs work.
You say, hey, girl,
Okay.
you shaped like a Mewtwo.
Right.
It's time to evolve into a Me Too.
Man, I'm just saying.
Whoa. Wow, gang. I ain't gonna lie, that boy Rob hit a 3-piece on the wow.
He be
Bro, I thought
gangbanging.
about
That boy said, wow, blood.
Lama.
On Snoover.
Bro, I thought about this GIF immediately. As soon as he hit the wow.
Me too. I was looking for it. Oh wow. I was like, oh wow. Nice. Oh wow.
That boy
Gang.
hit the wow.
Now what do we do?
I don't know.
Another
Bro. It's been a
100-point
long
day.
time. I just passed the 150K account in one fucking sequence of 3 trades. I mean, it's been a while since I hit a smack and banger like that.
I literally just held the whole trade.
You held that the whole time?
I can literally show you the screenshot. Yeah. I held that the
Will
whole
you
time.
show me the screenshot?
My final trade
I got
was
stopped and re-entered 3 times like a fucking OG. That's how an
was to
OG
break
trader
even.
would do it. How many of you nerds, put a lucky number 7 in the chat if you were scared to re-enter that trade. Put a lucky number 7 in the chat if you were scared to re-enter that trade. How many of you took the trade, got a little profit, and you're like, I'm good?
Look, jumped in, partialed, re-jumped in some more, partialed, last micro pulled me out down here. The whole way down.
I like that.
Scaled in, scaled out. Micros.
I like that.
Scaled in, scaled out.
Bro, you know what fucking gets me tight, twin? Hold on, I should probably close this.
Parados.
RIP them Robin Hood got hit with a bazoo. No. You know what gets me tight right now?
Woman. Your jeans. Shirts. Wet shirt. When you go in the pool with your shirt on, it gets tight.
That shit gets, it's a second skin at that point.
It's a foreskin.
I don't know what that is.
Right.
I don't got that fucking dirty pullback.
Someone said Logan's jeans, right?
I imagine foreskin is like wearing a pair of socks outside with no shoes all day. And then when you take it off, you could see that your ankles are dirty. Is that kind of what it's like?
Ankles are dirty?
Like when you ever take off dirty socks and then you see the discoloration between your pale white feet.
I hate wearing socks, I'm gonna be honest with you.
And your dirty ankles.
Talking about dick cheese?
You have DC?
Do I have DC? No.
You have from under cheese?
Fermented?
From under.
What is that?
Cheese from under these balls.
I'm sorry. Yo, why'd you snap like that?
Cheese from under these nuts.
That was good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that was good.
Bro, you see how we tag team coach this morning?
What?
Me and Dan tag team coach.
Where?
Oh shit, it's St. Patrick's Day.
Right. We were supposed to pull up in fucking.
We're not even wearing green or nothing.
Right.
Guys, remember also on top of that, yeah, we're doing 25% off indicators today. Damn, on top of everything that's going on, big Patty Max, happy Patty's Day, St. Patty's Day. Yeah, coach is out hoarding the gold.
Where'd you guys say that at? I missed that.
He was doing the pre-market this morning, and Dan was like, "Good morning, milkshake. Remember that the show starts 10 minutes early." And then coach read it out loud. He was like, "Good morning, the show starts early. All right, I got you." And I went, No. Read the whole thing, coach. You missed a word. Morning what? And he says, milkshake. And then he starts laughing. And then I wrote, "Appreciate you, brother," in all caps. And then he's like, "What the fuck is going on?"
Right.
He's
That's
like, "What the
gotta be
fuck is
racist.
going on right now?"
It's
This
gotta
shit
be
was
racist at one point.
this shit was so funny. He said, "What the fuck is going on right now?"
Wait, so are you wearing green today? Ah, damn. I know. I might not be wearing green, but my account is. Can we get a proper roll call in the chat? Get a proper roll call in the chat, guys.
Is there any redheads in the chat that want to throw some ass? But redheads kind of got dump trucks.
Right, it's because they're kind of black.
Damn. Like that what was her name? Ice Spice?
Ice Spice.
Whew.
What? You got anything you got to say?
No, I was just reading the chat. Why? What's up?
Oh, no, because I wanted to say I'd literally sniff a chair that she sits on.
Oh, wow. Shout out to my granny. She got hit with a bazooka. Every time I hit her, I got hit with a bazooka. Kaboom. Kapow. Yeah. I mean, I really don't know what to do. My neck kind of hurt. Whoa. I like
Why does
that.
Max look like that, though?
Like what? We gotta
Picture in chat.
copy that image real quick. Get that on X. Happy.
Like literally, I'm like cropping it to put on Instagram. Good work there.
Happy Saint.
I was in the room trying to. Damn.
That's old.
You could just tell that shit stinks.
I always think that. It's got a thing. Taco Bell just announced a new crispy chicken crunch wrap slider.
Whoa. Chicken from Taco Bell has to be the craziest amounts of diarrhea someone's ever had.
Bro, there's no way you don't have explosive. That shit looks kind of gas, though.
Of course it does. of course it does. Like it's like I feel like it's kind of worth the diarrhea, but like I'm not too sure yet. I'm just still not too sure about that. Can I? Done. That didn't work. Let's just save that one. And then go to crop revert. Nice.
I can't believe I passed my accounts in one trade.
Bro, how could you not believe it? You took a P2P trade. Of course you passed your accounts. How could you not?
What the fuck is a P2P trade?
What do you think it is? It's a success.
Brother.
Success.
Brother, we short the Max way. on a BNR at the top of
Brother,
has nothing to do with whatever gay you're describing,
brother.
brother.
I discussed pop and drop at 9:29. Signal fired off short and held it for literally 120 points.
Brother.
Discussed it about an hour and a half ago too. Damn, what is that? You got that? Oh wait, no, you don't. Okay, that's AI. I thought that was actually real.
That's just gas if it was.
Right. Like I literally thought you had that for a second.
Yo, if I hit him with the Jubilee like that, I hate my phone.
Yeah. That's a Springfield, bro. That's a Jew cat. I held you.
Why they got Vance fucking riding the alien like that? 25% off all indicators. Since when do we start doing that? Is it for St. Patty's Day? I was in the room when it's
You said wait, you said what? What you say?
25%. Off the indies.
25% off indicators?
Yeah.
Bro, who thinks they could just do shit like this?
Fucking sales team.
What the fuck? This shit's basically free at that point.
Which FF accounts that I was trading, bro? I just traded the Prime accounts. They're 40% off with code BDM right now. Tradeify extended their sale 30% off all accounts. So like, get like me, get like me, get like me, yeah, get like me, what? Get like me, yeah, yeah. I was in the room trying to hit my little sister.
And I heard a boom and it sounded like a egg war.
Egg what?
Oh, can I get some egg war?
Egg what?
Oh my god, dumpy.
Do I have a different bro? Of course I have different prop fundeds, bro. What are you even trying to talk about right now, twin? You
Like
ain't talking about,
realistically, what are you trying to talk about?
bro. I try and get funded across all props.
Just got P2P indicator. You know what? I'm gonna get on a call with all the P2P indicator students today and explain today's trade. Full recap coming. Is that Jewish Max with elf ears? Or are those Jew ears? They look like elf ears.
That's a jelf.
That's a jelf?
That's a jelf. That's
Those
a jewel.
those are real?
Jewels.
What type of gift would a jelf give? Aren't they stingy?
No, they're just jelfs on a shelf. You just leave them on the shelves. They drop pennies.
Do they or do they pick them up?
No, you let them. You drop a penny and then you start an argument.
Oh.
Hey, you remember that $5 I had in my stake account?
I said that now, twin.
Shit's at $81.
Nah.
You know I've been grinding, twin.
Yo, you've been putting in pain.
I've been putting in pain, bro, from $5 to 82.17, 82.16, 82.18.
Pain.
Yeah, I've been grinding on that stake.
You
bro.
put in actual pain.
Grinding. I'm gonna try and get it. I'm gonna try and get it to $99.
And then what? Buy a
Then I'm
prop
gonna
account?
buy a prop account.
I like that out of you. I really do like that out of you. I really do like that out of you.
Never knows on a sale. Bro, I don't know shit. You guys gotta listen. My staff doesn't tell me shit anymore. They just be fucking doing shit on their own accord.
Right. We literally just two fat guys that do the show and have no idea what's going on.
They literally hired someone and didn't fucking
Insta-banned him out of the court.
Insta-banned from the admin server. I'm like, holy shit, we've been fucking hacked. I'm like, holy fuck, we've been hacked. I banned the guy immediately. And I'm like, what the fuck? We've been hacked. Doc's like, yeah, I just hired that guy. Let him in. I'm like, can someone fucking tell me, is this paperwork good? Oh, yeah, paperwork's been done. So the Logan, Dan, Doc, they're all tracking this guy got hired. Everybody but fucking me, apparently. Crazy work.
Bro, there's like 8 people on the staff. I have no idea who they are. We did a staff call the other day. I'm like, who the fuck are all these people?
Bro, Jamie tells me yesterday I have a fucking business meeting today and I don't even know about what. She went fucking rogue and just drew up this whole thing. And I'm like, what the fuck are we even talking about? Then she's talking about, are you going to be ready? I'm like, no. Fuck you, Jamie. You do it. I told you last week, suck my balls. How about that?
Nice.
I don't pay attention to when most women speak.
Right. Very true. Understandable as well.
I'm just a guy. I'm just a fucking guy. What do you expect me to do? Listen,
a regular guy.
Talk? Come on, what the fuck? Like some kind of gay dude? Get the fuck out of here. You better hit my calendar or show tits if you want me to fucking pay attention.
One or the other. No in between.
Right. You want to get my attention? Post this. You slobbing on a fucking glizzo. Back to my point yesterday. Back to my point from yesterday. Mayonnaise belongs on hot dogs.
I know that's right.
Bro, me and Logan went to lunch yesterday, and bro, we got filthy, dog. I was so hungry.
I seen. What'd you get? What was like, bro? You see, like one thing about Logan, bro, has no respect. You can't post the food, but not post the food. You get what I'm saying? Like he's like, this for 2 people. But what was it though? Like we wanted to see what it was.
Right.
Blue balls the fuck out of me.
Bro, okay, so it was a crispy hot honey chicken sandwich.
Oh.
Bro.
Hold on.
They call them
Hold on. I just instantly started tearing up. Hold on.
Yeah. I'm about to sneeze.
Crispy hot honey sandwich.
Hold on, I'm about to sneeze. Hold on.
Watermelon. Damn, that's that old guy.
Bro,
sneeze.
It was a hot honey chicken sandwich.
Oof.
It was a
What was the sides? You got to go in detail, bro. Hot honey.
We didn't really do too many sides. I'll tell you the whole thing. It was like 6 entrees.
Okay,
the only sides was French fries and potato tots.
Oh, tater tots.
We did the fried chicken sandwich.
Okay.
We did short rib soldier sliders. So it was like a short rib sourdough sandwich with melted cheese, and it was filthy with like a tomato sauce with like a tomato basil dip.
What type of cheese was it? Carrier?
Fucking melted cheese. I don't know. There was a whole ass steak sandwich. Delicious steak sandwich. It was like filet mignon medallion. There it is. In the back there, that's a whipped ricotta with pistachios and honey. In the middle, that's Wagyu hot dogs with an everything but the bagel pastry wrap.
Wagyu glizok?
Wagyu glizok with an everything but the bagel pastry rizap. I popped the little fucking Wagyu dog out and stuck my fucking schlots in it. And then right there, look at the short rib pouring out of that sandwich. Look at the short rib at the bottom there. Look at the short rib.
Did you guys lady in the trampet? Like, did you take one bite and Logan took the other bite and you guys did it at the same time?
He took a bite. He had short rib hanging off his beard. I leaned over and I went.
Bro, he loves when you do that too. He loves
that shit.
He literally leaves shit on his chin on purpose.
He be leaving, bro. Every time I see him, he has something on his chin. It's crazy.
It's so obnoxious. It's usually my nuts.
Yeah. But the meal was really good. The whipped ricotta, the dogs, the steak sandwich, the chicken sandwich. It was all. We had a really sweet little bartender. She was nice. I flipped a coin. I said, flip a coin for your tip. Flip for your tip. She flipped and she won. So I tipped her double the bill. I tipped her $300.
Nice.
Yeah, she was a cool little.
No dessert? You know you guys eat dessert.
No, I had 2 espressos. I was way too full after. Way too full after the sandwiches. I had to break it down. I didn't get diarrhea from the meal, so that was also really impressive. That's how you know it was fresh ingredients.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
That's how I know how it was fresh ingredients.
Right.
So I came home and I smashed a bunch of processed sugars and stuff to give myself diarrhea.
I mean, Altoids.
We were gonna get something sweet. But the sweet menu was kind of ass. Pancakes and it was something else, but pancakes and something else. And I was like, I'm not really feeling these sweets. Like if they had some kind of like Nutella type shit where it was gonna squirt in my mouth, then I would have definitely tried to jump at that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But didn't really have any kind of like, if I had some kind of big chocolate that would just fucking was hot and just would one bite just squirt completely down my throat, then I would have went for the dessert. But the savory menu was just a lot better, so we stuck to that. So the indicators, 25% off flash sale. That's today only, St. Patty's Day only.
Patty's
So
Day.
make sure you guys check in with St. Patty's Day sale. If you guys want, we really don't care, but it's up to you guys. Yo. Hold on, I'm going for a speed run. Here we go. Oof. Oof. Ouch. Gotta go for a speed run here. Here we go. Let's get that.
What?
You're gonna have to take that one. Who even came up with that? Why is production
Just bought
watching?
the mastermind. Glad to be a part of the Mo fan.
Priscilla.
Much love, gang. Mo is unlike no other. Fire emoji.
Why is he watching
Saluting face
Priscilla in
emoji.
slow-mo?
Oh, because of the outfit. You guys have matching outfit.
Wow.
Where does it go in her ass? You can't see the line. But that's in her ass crack, right? $5 dono from the UAP. Bought the max line. Glad to be part of the MOT fam. Let's go, baby. I know that's right. Let's go, baby. Nice.
Almost in the room. I gotta. That's like shit.
Gotta take a dookie. Oh, we gotta do a giveaway.
Yeah, gotta do some giveaways. I really got a Dukes.
10, 12.
Crazy Dukerson. Gotta hit a nice little crazy Dukerson. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's like I don't know if you guys notice, I can't even hit my vape right now because if I do,
You're gonna shit your pants.
probably shit my pants.
Yo, that sounded crazy real.
Yeah. Wow.
Turn around.
I might.
All right, we're gonna get a random number generator
I
going.
might shoot myself with the fart. Oh no, that's a risky fart. I just felt it. It was risky. That was a risky one.
Don't go poo poo.
Oh, all right.
The winner is Juanito. Juanito, come up to the Big Daddy Morning Show, bro. You know what's crazy, bro? I called. Boy, I went Karen mode this morning. I feel bad.
So you did what?
I went Karen mode this morning, and I feel bad. I think I got the manager of Mansory fired.
Good.
Bro, I got the fucking car for over a month, and I have no paperwork that says I own it, that I bought it, that I put down 100 bands on it. I got nothing.
Rental ass car. You see that rented ass car,
bro. But it was actually crazy to me is like these motherfuckers can come repo that shit, and I got no documentation to be like, no, that's my car. Nothing.
Are you bringing this up because I saw 2,000 people asking you where's your paperwork that the Mansory is actually yours?
What's up, Lama? What's up, Max?
I got a Mansory bag and a Mansory keychain.
Oh, I seen that one on Amazon for $19.99.
No, you can't get this.
One.
What up, boys?
Good, buddy.
I got a Rolls Royce key right here.
Not much. I'm at work. I had to rush out. I got called up.
What's up, Juanito?
What up?
Where you from?
Originally born in Ecuador.
I'm also one
Ecuadorian,
day from my
raised
first
in
payout thanks to
Iowa,
Mom.
Altamont area.
That's nice. Are you related to Hobby?
Possibly.
Let's go. What do they do in Ecuador? What's like the number one food?
Soccer.
Food. Encebollado.
Asayá. What's that?
Onion?
That means guinea pig?
No, that's another plate. Peru, Ecuador, they do that in the indigenous areas.
It's called cuy.
Cuy, yeah. It tastes like pork, fun fact.
Cacacuy?
Cacacuy. Cuy. Yes, sir.
That shit's good?
It tastes like pork.
Tastes like pork? You ever throw it on a sandwich?
I've never actually had it in a sandwich. I've had it just, like on the parrilla.
Right. So Spanish people, they eat everything with like rice and beans and some kind of flat carb. But
like yuca, plantains.
Right, yuca, plantains, right. Arroz con pollo, right. But us whites, I just like to make everything into a burrito.
Fair. I mean, you can't go wrong with that with a burrito, though.
There's like not one meal I can't crush up, throw sour cream or mayo ketchup in a burrito with cheese, and just dominate.
Fair. What's your favorite meal, Max?
My favorite meal?
Good question.
My favorite meal is probably, like, to be honest, like probably a really good chicken franchise.
Okay.
Like a lemon butter. That's like my favorite meal. I fuck with franchise. Heavy. Where you get the garlic bread, you pour the sauce in the garlic bread, and then you put the chicken on top, and you make a sandwich.
Everything gets turned into a sandwich
Everything
around
gets
this.
turned
Yeah, I was gonna say.
any food in the world that you can turn into a sandwich or a burrito is my favorite. I really
Right.
don't care what it tastes like.
It's more hands-on. You like that?
More hands-on, right? I just
Yeah.
want to grab a big, girthy, fucking meaty sandwich, and I just want to fucking have that creamy, fucking delicious mayonnaise squirting out the sides, and I want to take a big, delicious bite, and then I want to chug a cold, crispy Coke Zero with it.
Clip that. Right, production.
Fuck you. You don't say that. I say that. How's your trading going, Juanito?
I took a break off of it for a week.
Really?
Yeah, so it was going really well. I have no problem passing evals, I've noticed. But I do have issue with overtrading and revenge trading. And those two kind of affected the thing. So I went back to the psychology aspect because I feel like I'm not a student of any y'all's yet. I actually was debating. I'm between the max way and the P2P. Because the Lama, I've had most of all your guys' indicators. The two they click with me is the Llamas P2P and the Pivot Hunter. Like I dissected it. I come from an engineering background. So
what was the data?
Say again.
What was the data you came up with?
More data about myself. I wanted a quick one and done, or see the consistency of, like, let's say the 728 or I think 726 levels being hit, understanding why they got hit, and then knowing that there could be a retracement based off that and going back down, and then having like one or two trades, calling it a day and being green. Same thing with pivot hunter. Shoot straight up, a lot of volume, momentum, you're done. And I wanted the flexibility. The end goal is to be do this full time so that I have more. I'm buying myself time, freedom.
Right. Good shit. I fucking like the analytical approach. I like the analytical approach to it. That's very good.
Yeah.
And what
I'm not reading the chat. What's going on?
Don't read the chat because you're going to see Lama being a fat retard. No, I like the analytical approach right now. So you're taking a break. So you're not actively trading any prop right now?
Currently, no. So I blew all my like 5 apexes, passed them, funded only 3 of them, blew those. I had one last apex this last week, and I was draw down 300. I had 300 left. And that Friday, this past Friday, this previous Friday, I was up over 3K. I even put it on the chat, and then I blew it after that because it was a drawdown.
Nice. Good shit. Love
Yeah.
that for you.
So that's why I took the week off. I was like, I need to
Good
work
shit,
on
bro. Hell yeah.
Twin, how the fuck are you over trading
I
grand in profit?
I'll tell you how. I was so I was drawdown almost to 2,500. Then I went up, right? So I was up to 3K.
That's a wrap, right? You're done there.
Yeah. So yeah, I messed up, man. I went with like 20 minis. I went with 20 minis. The rest is history.
You just said fuck it. What account do you even do 20 minis?
No, sorry, 20 micros. 20 micros. So 2 minis. Yeah.
I didn't even know you could do that.
No. Apex. I was doing the Apex. But yeah, no, I just paused the psychology. Lama's fighting for his dear life right now, I can tell.
Bro, for food, because he's so hungry. Well,
I have to take a shit.
Bro, go shit. I got this. I know you
I want to hear Guillermo talk.
Yeah.
Guillermo. Well, so do you want to count the trade?
Absolutely. I would love that.
Have you tried Tradeify Select?
I have not. No. Is that the one that's straight to funded, or how does that work?
No, it's not straight to funded. It's select. You got to pass the eval, but then you can choose between the red pill or the blue pill, daily payouts, or 5 days consistent profit, max payout of up to $5,000 per account or more.
Got it. All right, let me ask you this, Max. Which one would you recommend?
Between both of those, I go for daily payouts.
Daily.
Like
Okay.
I've gotten paid out on both systems, right? And I've gotten a $15,000 payout on the 5-day one, which is substantial. But you kind of have to go for larger hits to get a max payout, which I feel like is bad and kind of against the psychology that you need to be consistent. Whereas daily payouts, half in your bank account, half on the fucking in the buffer, and you can let it go and grow. You get the 6 or 7 payouts with them in like 2 weeks. They'll move you to a live account.
Got it. Which is about the same thing, right? There's not really a negative with the live.
No, bro, there's zero negative to live accounts, only positives. Because with a live account, you can make as much money as you want. There's no restrictions. You make 20 bands per an account, it's all your bread.
Perfect. Okay. I'm down for that. Sounds
Give
good
it a
to me.
shot. Give it a shot. Stop fucking over trading. 2026. Stop fucking over trading. Stop oversizing, dumbass. What 3,000 in profit across all your fucking apexes, and you went and cooked them for what?
I was actually, I was what's it called? I fucked up. I was 3 only.
In 2026, bro, is like equivalent to like smoking cigarettes. Like that shit's over. It's done with. Nobody smokes cigarettes. Only Europeans smoke cigarettes. Only Europeans and crackheads. We're done with that shit. It's over. That's that 2007 type shit. We're over that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do
Asian.
that.
Right. You look kind of Asian.
I used to get that when I was in college or in high school, actually. But I'm not really Asian.
You're an educated man. Stop that over trading shit.
Yeah. You'll see. All right, I'll pass this one, and then when I get funded, I'll send you a screenshot.
And I'll give you a second account for free.
All right, bet.
Yeah.
Take that. Bet. I'll be very consistent with it.
Open a support ticket. Congratulations, my guy. And you have any last words?
I have one suggestion and then I have one statement. If that's cool.
Okay. Yep.
All right. Suggestion wise, I was gonna say, have you guys ever thought about adding a add-on of reoccurring to the indicators? So let's say I have like 4 days left and I want to add a week. Instead of it having to roll over, you add the 7 days to the indicator so you have an extended period of time. Just a benefit. A side note, I've noticed that some people have those back and forth with like your support team. It might save you guys a lot of time and energy to not have to respond back to the people if it just adds on to it. Just a thought.
Mods, pass that idea up to Tech. Owen Tech. Decent suggestion there.
No worries.
Second statement.
Thank you for everything both of y'all doing. You guys are amazing. And Lama's gay.
Fuck yeah. There it is, baby. There it is. Let's go. Appreciate you, my man.
Anytime, man. Keep doing everything you guys are doing. Thank you for everything.
Always.
Oh.
Chicken vodka parm sandwich, not Zilla. They call it not Zilla.
Bro.
They call it not Zilla.
Not Zilla. Imagine being Asian.
Not Zilla.
Not Zilla. So scary.
Oh, the fat boys sitting on the shore.
Oh my god. Bro.
Oh.
Need that.
Bro, my neck hurts, bro. I'm not gonna lie. My neck hurts really bad.
I'm gonna take a shit.
Be careful if you're using RD wires. What's that mean?
That's a guy. It's a guy that sells cars.
No, I bought my vehicle directly from Mansouri. And Mansouri is the one that designed my Range Rover. And I called the fucking owner this morning. No, he definitely doesn't work at Mansouri. Or I don't know who that guy is, at least. The guy I was fucking with is the general manager. But then the owner was pissed because the owner was like, "You're my fucking client. You're my client. You're a Mansouri client. You're not a fucking car guy. So you go through me." And I wasn't even aware that you bought a car. The owner was like, "Bro, don't even told me you bought a fucking car on top of the Mansouri work." So he's like, "Nah." He's like, "Fuck that." He's heated. I actually got to call him right after this.
Tell him to swing you a new car. Like another
Bro,
car on top.
Off rip. I'm going to tell him straight up.
Mansouri Toyota Camry.
I'm telling him straight up. I'm copping a Ferrari 812. I'm gonna need the whole interior on the house.
Like that out of you.
I'm copping a Ferrari 812, and I'm gonna need the entire Mastery interior on the house.
I like that out of you.
All white interior with red and green stripe. And I'm thinking about adding brown. Fuck you. That's broke ass bitch. I'm not selling my mansion.
I'll take a shit, bro.
Look at that 812, bro. Look at that 812. Oh my god. The 812 is disgusting. The 812 is disgusting.
I saw a breakdown on one yesterday. I don't think I sent it to you, bro. 370, bro. Down payment was like, I think it was like 80K, and you pay like 4 bands a month. Crazy shit. What time is the call today? I have no idea. I'll keep you guys updated.
It makes me feel good. It makes me feel good that you guys say my car. I like when you call my car rented. Makes me feel like I'm doing good on socials and being a furu.
Brother, you begged us to say it.
I know.
I have to take a shit.
Your Tesla is rented. That would be a weird one.
Not the Tessie.
That would be a weird one. Well, guys, the Tiffany interior. Thank you. It is very nice. Well, guys, great show. Oh, is that the interior of the 812 answer? It's fucking disgusting. Disgusting. Novatech exhaust. I don't like loud cars.
I told you gotta get the full Novatech kit.
No, Novatech's for fucking poor people.
It's the body kit.
Oh my god, bro! Look at that 812 this guy posted. Look what Red Man posted.
Yeah, that's a Novatech kit.
Got my first payout thanks to Big Daddy Orb from the UK. Congratulations. Oi, Midge. Congratulations, Midge. Midgie. Blow it up for Midgie. Got his first payout. Congratulations. Cheers, mate, isn't it? Go have a pint of Kilwanga. Thank you, guys. Great show. Great day. Look at them. Yeah, the Mansory 812s are disgusting. Bro, now Kit Cutto, imagine if that was white. Now, if that instead of that gray, the gray goes hard. But like imagine if that was white. That's what I want. All my whole fleet is white. All my cars are white. I just dropped a whole fucking bottle of paint across my pool deck. Damn.
Oh.
Damn. Yeah, no, that shit's sexy. Good shit. Well, guys, great show. Great day. Absolutely killed it. 27,000 in profit. One we all take right after the wonderful presentation from the Hoff. Big shout out to Rob Hoff and congratulations to the Wealth Charts team. Amazing feat. Amazing. I've been seeing that 812 all over social, but they want like $1 million for it, which is crazy. They want like 1.2 or 1.3 million, which is crazy. So
I think that's a competizione.
remember, yeah, it's crazy. Remember, nothing we do is financial advice. But at that point, if I'm dropping 1. I'm not dropping 1.3 on a Rari. I'm going to find a Ford GT.
A Ford,
yeah. I'm going to get the Ford GT. It's no question asked. Remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only. NFA, the greatest morning show in the world, presented by the Max Options Trading Network. And remember, oh God, yeah, that's disgusting. Look what Dan just posted. That's going to be in my driveway. That's disgusting. That's going to be in my driveway. You know how many dudes I could pick up with that?
Just one.
If you guys want to learn pay to play, check out Pay to Play University. If you guys want to learn the Max way, you can learn the Mastermind. If you guys want to enjoy all the free things we do here, like $93,861 in giveaways, and officially closing in on that $1 million total mark, 53 dubs as we continue to do what we do for fun for guys and gals like you. If you want to check out the indicators, they are 25% off, 25% off on the website on maxoptionstrading.com. Check out any of the indicators, 25% just today. Use code LUCKY25. LUCKY25. And remember to check out all the coaches that we have, guys. Buy a coaching course with Javi and Izzy and Coach. Make sure you lock in, find yourself a right coach. Tip the staff. Tip the staff, guys. They work completely off of tips. So make sure you guys tip the staff wonderfully today. They work so hard to keep us safe from spammers, scammers, and bullshit people. What a fun, great show. Killed it on that short, man. Absolutely killed it. All parties involved. That's it. Tomorrow. Do not miss tomorrow. Do not miss tomorrow. We got another big announcement. Really big announcement. What's tomorrow? Probably one of the biggest giveaways ever. Just gonna keep it a buck with you guys. Probably one of the biggest giveaways ever. And then tonight, 5 p.m., Traders and Haters podcast with Brett Simba. Traders and Haters podcast with Brett Simba tonight. Don't miss the Tradeify CEO coming to talk markets, coming to talk the future of the industry, coming to talk and have fun with us. So don't miss Traders and Haters tonight with Brett. And it's a great show. Honestly, just another banger show. Great show, Lama. It's on you, Bubba.
Banger. Another banger day. Another 100 points. Good fucking day today, guys. Remember all we asked for is to tip the staff. Go follow all the educators, guys. Go push everyone's content for us. It helps us more than you know. Helps us grow our community. I think, did we cross 70,000 yet? We were like right around the...
We're closing in on it. 70.
Closing in on it. Stay tuned. Tonight, we have another 4 shows coming out for you guys today with morning show, power hour, leading into Traders and Haters, and then the happy hour. We're putting in pain for y'all. Go and tip the staff, guys. That's all we ask for. If you're going to buy an account, use code BDM on every single prop firm. And if you're on TPT, you can use code P2P. And I will be running a call today with all the indicator students going over how the fuck we knew this was going to pop and drop today. Pleasure, guys. I'm out of here. I need to go shit. We're out of here.
Great show, everybody. We love y'all. Anarchy. Kick fire on them hoes, baby. We'll see you guys tonight. Traders and Haters podcast with Brett Simba. Don't miss it.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Reaching price levels, lighting up the channel. First 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Gospel in the game. Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with a grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo, Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo, candles talk. say trend strong, y'all keep praying. Which shout? What they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stand. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the buckets grow. Gospel in the game on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo, Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Ain't it in the chat when the trend takes hold? Most entertaining show on the internet.